Oftentimes it's good to take a video from the caregiver's position. So hip and knee is flexed, kind of supporting that. Just a nice heavy pressure there, gives them a little calmness. And then my thumb is coming along there, and you see how your thumb makes a nice kind of curvature to the foot. And then this right here is the talar head. We're going to ride up right beneath the talar head. And then we can do the turning. Wait for him to kind of relax, and then we'll take up a little bit. Hey. Relax. And then for stretching the bottom of the foot, this thumb is kind of vertically oriented now. It's a stabilizing force. And I'm using this thumb to stretch. So if I'm trying to get a little more kind of forefoot valgus out of the foot, I can get that. And then here, I can also use both thumbs and do just some good plantar fascia work. And I can walk my thumbs up and kind of starting at the crease. There we go. Starting at the crease and stretching along here. And again, it's just a massaging type motion. And sometimes you'll